Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use Zapier for beginners. Well, Zapier serves as a user-friendly no-code automation platform, facilitating the seamless connection of various web apps for automatic data exchange. Each automated sequence, referred to a zap, involves a triggering event and subsequent actions. For example, a SAP could generate a new Google Drive folder and an onboard document whenever a fresh client record is added to Airtable. To construct a ZAP, users go to the SAP sections, set up a folder, choose the trigger app, define the event, and link their Google and Slack accounts. Following trigger testing and the addition of action like sending a direct message, users can activate the ZAP. Zapier's dashboard offers extra features, including searching for apps, exploring recommendations, accessing tutorials, and organizing zaps into folders. Users can review zaps histories, transfer large datasets using the Transfers feature, and explore ideas and templates on the Explore tab. Additionally, support is available through guides and tutorials under the Get Help section. And that's how to use Zapier for beginners. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.